Preposition to. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. Preposition to. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. 1. The cat jumped ellipses the table. The cat jumped ellipses the table. 2. I am going ellipses vacation next week. I am going ellipses vacation next week. Vacation next week. 3. She is allergic ellipses cats. She is allergic ellipses cats. 4. We went swimming ellipses the lake. We went swimming ellipses the lake. We went swimming ellipses the lake. 5. He is interested ellipses learning French. He is interested ellipses learning French. 6. They live ellipses a big house. They live ellipses a big house. A big house. 7. The book is ellipses the shelf. The book is ellipses the shelf. 8. We walked ellipses the park. We walked ellipses the park. 9. The keys are ellipses the drawer. The keys are ellipses the drawer. 10. She is waiting ellipses the bus stop. She is waiting ellipses the bus stop. Answer 1. The cat jumped onto the table. 1. On. 2. I am going on vacation next week. 2. On. 3. She is allergic to cats. Answer 3. 2. 4. We went swimming in the lake. 4. In. 5. He is interested in learning French. 5. In. 6. They live in a big house. 6. In. 7. The book is on the shelf. 7. On. 8. We walked through the park. 8. 2. 9. The keys are in the drawer. Answer 9. In. Answer 10. She is waiting at the bus stop. Answer 10. At.